So I missed vlogging yesterday for Vlogust, my challenge where I'm trying to do a video every day in August. And it made me think that I know this is a problem that I sometimes have, and I suspect I'm not the only one. So, about yesterday. Yesterday was a travel day, and so a lot of times that messes everything up, right? And so I just wanted to get home and have some dinner, spend time with the family, and those kinds of things. And at this point, I kind of feel the urge to apologize, but I know that I shouldn't. I know that, my prioritization of spending time with family was the right thing to do. My biggest fear this morning when I got up was that I had failed Vlogust 2019. And then I thought about it and reminded myself that number one, I had prioritized family over, some challenge that I'm trying to do. And that the purpose of the challenge was not really to get it done, every day for 31 days. And I also remembered a quote by Winston Churchill that says, "Success is not final. Failure is not fatal, and it's the courage to carry on that counts." And like Mr. Churchill said, failure is not fatal. The purpose in doing this challenge was not to see if I could do a video for 31 days in a row. The real purpose of this challenge was to see if I could get better at filming, editing, and publishing these videos in a more efficient way. And so far, I think it's working. I'm doing better. My editing practices are better. I'm getting better at picking up the camera at just any moment to start filming. And, I hope by the time I get done with this entire month that I've seen that much more improvement. Missing one day did not negate the purpose of doing this challenge. Just like missing one day at the gym doesn't negate months or years of working out. The benefit is all still there. So what's the takeaway for you as a business owner? Well, the takeaway that I see is that things like marketing, which are long tail activities, right, are very hard to see results short term. And so it's very easy to get discouraged and stop doing it. And we need to think of those long-term projects in the long term. We need to keep with them. We have to have the courage to carry on to make sure that we can see the results at the end. And that really is the point to his quote. It is the courage to carry on that counts. No matter what, we need to persevere to the end. Your marketing plan isn't for a week, it's not for a month, it should be at minimum for 6 months. So you need to do it for 6 months. And if you miss a day, that's okay. You just need to pick up and carry on so that you can see the results at the end. It takes real work to succeed. And every failure is just another step towards that success. And if we don't have those failures, we'll never succeed. So go ahead and tell me down in the comments, what situation have you had lately where you wanted to give up, or maybe you did give up and it's something that you need to pick up and carry on with. You need to have that courage to carry on. So go ahead and put that down in the comments for me, and let's have a discussion about it, because I know that everybody, well, not everybody, there's some perfect people out there, but most people have similar issues with early disappointments, early failures, and they just need the courage and the motivation to carry on. Hey guys, thank you very much for joining me on this Vlogust 2019 journey. It really helps to know that some of you are watching these videos, commenting, liking, all of those things. So go ahead, like, subscribe, and ring that bell to make sure you get notified when I post new videos. Thanks. Let's crush this thing.